Is your nose constantly dry, itchy, or uncomfortable, especially during cold or allergy season? A dry nose might seem like a small issue, but it can lead to irritation, nosebleeds, and even infections if ignored. In this guide, we'll show you exactly how to treat a dry nose with 6 proven remedies you can try right at home. How to treat a dry nose. 6 effective remedies. A dry nose can be irritating, uncomfortable, and sometimes even painful. Whether caused by seasonal allergies, cold weather, or indoor heating, dryness in the nasal passages can make breathing feel unpleasant and increase the risk of minor infections. Fortunately, there are several effective home remedies to help restore moisture and soothe your nasal passages. 1. Use petroleum jelly. Applying a thin layer of petroleum jelly inside your nostrils can provide quick relief from dryness. This simple remedy locks in moisture and prevents the nasal lining from cracking. Use a clean finger or cotton swab to apply a very small amount. Important note, avoid overusing petroleum jelly. Excessive application over long periods can allow small amounts to enter the lungs, which may cause complications, especially in people with chronic lung conditions. If you have any pre-existing respiratory issues, consult your healthcare provider before trying this method. 2. Sleep with a humidifier. Using a humidifier in your bedroom adds moisture to the air, which can significantly improve nasal comfort, especially during dry seasons or in heated indoor spaces. Place the humidifier in the center of the room for optimal airflow. Follow the manufacturer's cleaning instructions to prevent mold or bacterial buildup. Use distilled water to avoid mineral deposits inside the device. Tip: avoid pointing the humidifier directly at wooden furniture to prevent damage or mold growth from excess moisture. 3. Use a saline nasal spray. Saline nasal sprays, which contain a mild saltwater solution, sodium chloride, are highly effective for moisturizing nasal passages. They not only hydrate the inside of your nose, but also help flush out dust, pollen, and other irritants. Some people prefer saline nasal gel, as it tends to stay on the nasal lining longer than liquid sprays. Avoid medicated nasal sprays for treating nasal dryness, as they can worsen irritation when overused. 4. Try a sinus rinse. A sinus rinse, also known as nasal irrigation, is an excellent way to clean and hydrate your nasal passages. It involves flushing the nose and sinus cavity with sterilized water, which can remove mucus, allergens, and other irritants that contribute to dryness. Use a neti pot or squeeze bottle designed for nasal irrigation. Always use distilled water or water that has been boiled and cooled to prevent infection. Never use tap water unless properly sterilized. A regular sinus rinse can also help reduce nasal congestion while keeping your nasal passages moisturized. 5. Use damp wipes for gentle cleaning. Instead of using dry tissues that can cause friction and irritation, moisten a soft tissue with water using a spray bottle and gently wipe the inside of your nostrils. This prevents overdrying and soothes sensitive skin around the nose. Tip: avoid baby wipes that contain fragrances or chemicals, as these can cause irritation or allergic reactions. 6. Steam or sauna. Inhaling steam is a quick way to hydrate dry nasal passages. You can hang your head over a bowl of hot water with a towel draped over it, or simply enjoy a warm, steamy shower. For longer-lasting effects, repeat this process regularly. Bonus tip: stay hydrated. Internal hydration is just as important as external remedies. Drink plenty of water, herbal tea, or warm broths throughout the day to keep your body and nasal passages naturally moisturized. Takeaway: if you're wondering how to treat a dry nose, these simple home remedies, from using humidifier to inhaling steam, can provide quick and effective relief. However, if your symptoms persist, worsen, or are accompanied by pain or bleeding, consult your doctor or healthcare professional for further evaluation. Want more reliable health tips like this? Subscribe to HeInfo on YouTube for expert-backed advice, in-depth health guides, and home remedies you can trust.